Do you get lower back pain when you're standing at the sink or maybe cooking and you're wondering why? This video is just for you. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Dr. Shaki from Irvine Spinal Wellness Center, your Irvine Posture and Chiropractic Clinic. I get a lot of complaints from my patients saying when they're washing the dishes, maybe standing at the sink or the kitchen counter after doing some cooking, they end up with back pain. Well, the reason for that is because they use the countertop to lean against, which forces their lower back into an extension like so. So no matter how straight this is, or you make an attempt to, because in this position, the only way to make it straight is by pulling your shoulders back, which is the wrong way of keeping your torso in a better position. So instead of trying to do this and then over a length of time, maybe 15-20 minutes, you end up with back pain, make sure that your spine is in neutral position. Neutral means that the base of your spine, where your spine gets connected to your pelvis, is pushed down. So you're not lifting your pelvis up like that. You're pushing this at the same, pushing down at the same time, engaging your lower ab to position your spine in less of an arch and more into a neutral position. By doing so, you're no longer leaning against the counter or the kitchen sink, and you can proceed with whatever it is that you're doing. If you have any questions, make sure you use one of the methods of contact in the description box to contact me. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, you may want to do so now. Until next time, take care.